Hello dear parents of Signet Public School. As you know me, I am Mrs. Ajita Parbat, Principal Signet Public School. This is highly crucial time in which we are not prepared how to reach out with each one of you. As much as you all are missing us, we are missing you too. This is the time where we need to stand together as a big family. We should not react, but we need to respond, and our response is going to be impact on entire world. As you are pretty aware that our teachers are risen up with the challenges of online classes. They are trying to give their best. They are working hard by day and night. They are become more and more techno savvy. This is the time where we need to reconnect with education. Definitely, formal education at school is not possible, but informal education at your home is very much possible, which we are trying to give you at your home. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what we have learned into the school. We have started conducting Monday tests. We have conducted periodic tests as well to check whether our students are understand or not, and we are getting good response from our student. The world is going through the crisis. What would be our role in this situation? We need to be a responsible citizen of the world. Eat healthy, stay healthy, wake up on time, sleep on time. This is the time where you and your family needs to work together on physical fitness and mental well-being. Keeping this in mind, we have started sending our PE teachers video for your physical fitness. We have conducted parenting workshop by our school counselor. As our students are getting ample time to work on their holistic development, they are utilizing this time. For that, we are conducting various co-curricular activity and competition. From that, they are learning the life skill. Now our students get confident to make any kind of video. They are working on their communication skill, their stage daring, and now it's my humble request to all of you not to take any activity, competition lightly. These are a wonderful time to reconnect with your family, reconnect with spirituality, reconnect with education. Now you need to pray for your parents, grandparents, and you need to remain happy and healthy to overcome this situation. We are looking forward to see your ward into the school as soon as possible. We expect your cooperation with your wards and our teachers for online session. Nothing is impossible. The word impossible itself says I am possible. Kindly do not panic with the regards of academic of your ward. We ensure you to every possible way to complete and help your ward with the academic excellence. As all the activities running smoothly, nothing is possible without strong support of our management. I would like to express my sincere admiration for continuous support and for the smooth functioning of all the co-curricular activity at virtual platform. A token of gratitude, I would like to convey our heartfelt thanks and regards to Mr. Rushiraj Sawant sir, Trustee JSPM TSSM, for continuous support, being inspiration and being prompt in provision of all technical support whenever required. Let me tell you, all the classes are equipped with Wi-Fi connection and very enriched content app FlipLearn, which is purchased by management and which is going to helpful for fruitful teaching learning process of our student. We communicate our deep appreciation and feeling reward and recognize under guidance of our President Dr. Tanaji Rao Sawant sir. He has a long vision for development of our student. And yes, very important concern about our student safety in this pandemic situation, COVID-19. Under guidance of our trustee, our school is fully equipped with all the precautionary measures of sanitization. Kindly visit our YouTube channel and be assured about our sanitization strategy and student safety. There will be 2 more surprises when the school is going to reopen. Our management has added 2 more games in sports. One is archery and another one is horse riding, which is going to helpful for our student holistic development. Togetherly, we can make a big difference in our child life. Coming together is beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. So let's working together for our students' success. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Thank you so much.